Hello! Today we are talking about the misuse of the Filipino language.
Ang hindi magmahal sa sariling wika ay higit pa sa hayop at malansang isda.
Two of the problems which are common about the misuse of Filipino language are the judgments in the past and until now, the words that are not found in the Filipino dictionary. In this video, we will try to see if common Filipinos understand the judgment sentence. He will show them.
May mga sinikap muna itong basahin.
Akjoy Filipino ZS4 1 times SIPF XS4 SX4 LIP4 4TSX4 60W4.
Pero kayo maintindihan, ma'am?
Ha?
Pero kayo maintindihan. Alam niyo ba yung judgment, ma'am? Judgment.
Samantala, sisiw lang ito para sa mga kabataan.
Ako'y Pilipinas sa isip sa salita at sulat.
Nabasa niyo? Paano mo naintindihan?
Kasi common naman na sa mga age natin yan ngayon mga jejemon words.
Ako'y Pilipino sa isip, sa salita at sa gawa.
Naintindihan mo? Judgment ka?
Medyo.
As you can see, some of the people understood the saying that was translated into judgment to them. You also notice that they understand it more rather than the elderly. Next, we now move on to words said by Filipinos but not found in the Filipino dictionary. The reason is we are influenced by the media. Virgilio Almagro, a national artist, said that these words are known as shokoy words. Here are some examples of shokoy words used by Filipinos.
Hindi na kailangan ng gitling kapag may apostrophe at letter T na ang salita dahil ang ibig sabihin nito ay at.
These two problems are ongoing problems. It's hard. If we tolerate these, we might confuse other people, thus giving them wrong understanding and wrong information. For us, we believe that if we choose the right words, it will lead to right and accurate information to help other people understand it. This is Jason Garcia and Emily. Hope to see you next time.